ओके लेफ्ट.
हा वैसे रिटेक. तर मी बोललेली आवाज येते का?
मग 10 मिनिटात 10 तास वाटतात.
कट कट कट.
See, when I was in 11-12, my parent was working in state transport. So our dream was there that I will be replace my father's job.
Creativity and the challenge. If you see, the doctor has a stethoscope, a lawyer has a black coat, but engineer doesn't have anything of instrument. It's everything in the head.
Being civil engineering as a girl, it's a rewarding moment for me and my family.
I would like to say that it was my mother's dream to see me become a civil engineer.
Actually मुझे मैथमेटिक्स और साइंस बहुत इंटरेस्ट था. बाय डिफॉल्ट मुझे डॉक्टर और वकील तो बन सकता नहीं था. फिर मैं सोचा कि कौन सा फील्ड है जिसमें मुझे ज़्यादा स्कोप रहेगा, या फिर मैं देश के लिए या फिर अपने सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा कर सकूँ.
Engineering make your imagination true. You build something which is a memory, which will help not people in a present time, but for the generation.
प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करणं, टार्गेट अचीव करणं किंवा बिल्डिंग्स बेस्ट पासून फुल टॉप पर्यंत फिनिशिंग पर्यंत देणं आणि ती कस्टमरची हॅपीनेस बघणं.
Collaborating with different departments of engineering. It's very, very, very fascinating.
The planning, the scheduling, the budgeting, the negotiation with vendors, finalizing the orders, coordinating in between the site team, clients, HO team. That whole thing gives me a full focus and full energy to motivate me in my work.
It's a lot of challenge for us to support our sites by providing good machineries which can produce maximum output in minimum time.
I would say about its concepts, about its uniqueness, you could say that which no other field or no other stream can achieve such things.
Like I firstly said, creativity and challenge. So that is the major what I have choose engineering. Because of the creativity, lot of activities are there, lot of scopes are there. Not only engineering, in other fields also. But for me, creativity and challenges. I love challenges.
तो इंजीनियरिंग में एक बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हर चीज़ को साइंटिफिक तरीके से सोचा जाता है और हर चीज़ का एनालिसिस किया जाता है, जो बाकी फील्ड में शायद नहीं होता. एक्चुअली जो वर्ड चल रहा है ना, ये मैक्सिमम इंजीनियरिंग की वजह से चल रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. क्योंकि ऐसा कोई फील्ड नहीं है जहाँ पे इंजीनियर नहीं है.
It's spending time with family. We work 24/7. But as a company, they are not insisting us to work 24 hours and all that. We do our best at site also, office also. Family is also satisfied as we are giving time to them. Company is also satisfied because we are doing for them. So that way we are happy in fact.
On a personal front, I like cooking. Cooking is my passion, which I do frequently. So that brings me joy to cook and to serve.
The basic needs of a human being, food, shelter, etc. So we are building something for them. So I see that as an achievement for every engineer, not just me, but every civil engineer, what they do.
My dreams, being a best civil engineering, that मी प्रोसेस करती है कि हाँ I can do.
हम लोग जो काम करते हैं ना, वो एकदम बढ़िया तरीके से होना चाहिए. हम जो सोचते हैं, हम अगर वैसे ही प्रोडक्ट बना के देते हैं किसी को अगर, तो देखने का जो खुशी मिलती है ना, उससे बड़ी खुशी दुनिया में और कोई दूसरी नहीं रहती.
I always wanted to build more than a structure. Here at Rohan, I create a project that helps the nation grow.
म्हणजे मी आता स्टेप वाईज चालले की मला बेस्ट इंजिनियर बनायचे, बेस्ट पोझिशनला जायचं.
So it's making people smile. You know, when you construct something, it stays for them for long. You know, आज नहीं, अगर आप कल भी उसको जाके देखोगे तो I can say ये मैंने कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाया था.
It's not about just concrete and steel.
We engineer spaces where families grow,
Where moments are made.
Where communities come alive.